So guys, I'm just at home and I'm just chilling. It's quite noisy. I think the gen is turned on and stuff. Everyone's just chilling right now. Yeah, masquerades are going around everyone's house, but they're not coming to mine because our gate is closed, so I need to get ready to go out. Yeah, with my twin sister. Hi Chama. Oh, give them. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we go out. Oh my god, this masquerade, okay, I'll show you guys right now. On our way back home now. Because you should have to bend like this. Oh my god, short.
Yes,
I'm not a bully. No, my pack is actually foul. Because we're hungry. Okay, me, I was very hungry. So, I was like, that's a nice take picture. I was like, I'm taking a picture. We're back to the bar. And we're about to go. So I'll see you guys definitely on the way home. Bye y'all. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but so we're having a family function tomorrow and they are cutting goats, they're cutting cow, and everyone is just here. So yeah, see my auntie's face because she's stressed. Auntie, say hi.
I'm down in front.
Okay, bye bye.
Who is down in front? Let's first do everywhere. Who's down in front?
Vlog. Christmas
Down in
vlog.
forward.
My fine sister. I see color for their daddy. Yes guys, it's my dad's birthday and also a house opening. So if you can hear the noise, you just know it's the whole vibe. So this is actually my second outfit. It's just a really simple it's literally just a simple outfit, and yeah, but I will insert a clip of how my first outfit looked like. So I'll see you guys later, and then you guys remember my baby girl, Collie, the love of my life, the vanilla in my coffee. Makes sense, right? Okay, bye guys, see you guys. You guys see my big cousin? No, she's gonna like big. Ami. But yeah, me my family. Last day in Umawulu. Last day in this village. Ama, how do you feel? You feel good, right?